Hey there, this is Mara and welcome back to my art break life. Now, as you know from my previous videos, you know I love art supplies and I love getting new art supplies and trying all different kinds of things during my art breaks. So I get boxes pretty regularly delivered to the house. And I try to make sure they're delivered when my husband is around because, you know. And today, I was sitting in my office and I noticed the mailman came. Actually, it was a mail lady today. The mail lady came and she wasn't in her usual truck. They normally have these little diesel, you know, opposite hand driving cars that they drive around in the local areas. But today she had a really big Sprinter van and I'm like, oh, that's unusual. They don't normally send those kinds of big trucks to deliver our mail, especially where I live. And she stopped in front of my house. So I was like, uh-oh. And sure enough, she brought in this huge box. Like, this box is bigger than my desk, I think. It's huge. And I was like, what is this? What did I order? I didn't remember ordering anything that big. I made sure I waited for her to leave before I went out to look because I didn't want her to see me. When I looked, it was from my sister. And if you aren't already following her, her channel name is Your Stationery Tomo on YouTube and on Instagram. So give her a like and a follow if you have a chance. She lives in Japan, and so she sent me this box. And I remembered I had asked her to send me a few things. In Hawaii, for some reason, the masks are really expensive, and the schools were asking the kids to wear the KN95 masks to school, which is not the typical mask I send them to school with. I usually just give them the simple paper one because they just feel more comfortable wearing that versus the cloth one. Even though we have cloth ones, they just don't like wearing them. I remembered, okay, yeah, maybe the masks are in here. And then I also had asked her to send me these drawer systems for my pens. I'm not sure if you noticed, you can see it back there. I finished setting them up. They came all assembled anyway. I'll do a close-up of it later, but when I went to her house in Japan, I saw them and I was like, oh, these are really cool drawers because they fit the pens pretty perfectly, or there's like little dividers inside where you can make the shorter pens not float to the back of the drawer. I tried looking for similar ones here in Hawaii or online, and I just couldn't find anything comparable, and they were really expensive too. So she sent me 2 drawer systems for my pens, which are not completely filled yet because I'm still sorting my pens, and I have a few new ones that I'm gonna put in there that I haven't opened yet. So hopefully that lasts me a while and I don't fill up all the drawers too quickly. So this is what I have behind me when I do my films. I had more of these drawers here, but I moved them to a different spot in my office or studio, and I put these drawers here because they just fit better. And these are the ones that she sent me from Japan. And the reason why I like these drawers is that they fit the pens so nicely. Like a lot of the drawers I found on Amazon or online, they were too short in depth, so I wasn't sure if the pens would fit laying down. But so this is a drawer with some pens in it already, and they come with these little dividers that you can put, and so the back gets a little bit wasted because you lose that, but at least the pens fit. If you have something like pencils, like I have my coal erase pencils in here, they fit perfectly front to back. So this is why I wanted these drawers. And as you can see, this top area is still quite empty, which is on purpose because I'm still sorting through my collection of pens, see what I want to put here for easy access, or maybe not pens, maybe paints and other things. So, you know, I'm still thinking about what I want to put in here, but for now, this is what I have. Some of my other pens that I sorted out from these drawers here that I put into their own little separate compartments by brand and by sets. So I was thinking about putting my alcohol pens in there, but I kind of like them like this so I can have easy access to them and see them. But I don't know, maybe that'll change one day. But for now, these are empty and waiting for them to be filled. Hopefully not anytime soon. But anyway, that's why the box is so huge. I don't think I've ever gotten a box that big in my life. And I order a lot of things. Also within that box came another little box here. And no food this time, but she did send me a few things. So I wanted to open them with you guys. So the first thing on the top here are Pokemon cards. These are the Japanese Pokemon cards. 25th anniversary collection Japanese Pokemon cards. So these are obviously for my son. I'll give these to him for his birthday, which is coming up soon. So I figured I'd ask her to send me these. And then I was actually on Instagram and I saw these pens and I told her, oh, these are really nice pens and they have a really nice case to them. She goes, oh, I have these pens and you can have them, but I don't have the case. So I'm like, okay. So she sent me these Uni Emote pens and she sent me all the colors. I guess she didn't quite like them, so I'm gonna give them a try. So this is what they look like. Whew. So perfect for journaling. So once I go through all of these and test them, they're gonna go in my new drawer system. Let's see what else. Oh, okay. And I had asked her to send me this. This is the tube of the white poster color paint. So these are the Pentel poster color paints that I really enjoy using. And I asked her to send me just the white one because I use a lot of white when painting. And so yeah, this is the huge tube of the white poster color paint. Oh, okay. What is this? This is the Energel retractable gel roller pen. Oh yeah, these are the vintage colors. I saw these on Coffee Monster Co.'s YouTube channel, and I told her, oh, those are really pretty colors, and can you send them to me because they're from Japan? And so she had one of these in there. Ooh, okay, and these are my favorite pens. This is the Tomo Furinosuke pens. I have a bunch of these lying around, but I love using these in my artwork and also for just writing in general. So there's one of these in here. Sorry, they're kind of all jumbled up here. I'm gonna try to gather them up. When I first went to Japan a very long time ago when I was a senior in high school, one of the things I went to look for when I was there was art supplies. And we went to a few department stores where they had like the different levels. And at the very top level on one of these, they had an art supply or stationery section. And my eyes were just like, and they had these hybrid gel pens. And I bought the whole set. There was like, I forgot, there was tons of them. And I landed up not using them all because I was trying to be so precious with them. And so some of them dried out. So I had to throw a lot of them away. But I really love the hybrid pens. So she sent me the glitter gel hybrid pens. This is a 1.0 millimeter tip. I love these, the metallics colors. This reminds me of being in Japan. These dual metallic hybrid pens. So got some of these to play with now. And oh my goodness. Okay, so I remember my sister did a haul of the mild liner brush tip highlighters and she had a bunch of duplicates, and so she said she would send me all her duplicates. So wow, there's a lot of duplicates here. So oh my god. So these are all her duplicate mild liner highlighter brush tip pens. So I'm kind of excited to try these out. I do have the chisel tip ones, which I thought were the ones I wanted, but actually I wanted the brush tip. And so she gave me all her duplicates. So there's a lot for me to play with here. So yeah, these are all the mild liner brush tip pens. I'm not sure if I'm gonna sample all these in this video, but these are what she sent me. I really love the tip on these and I can't wait to play with these. And then, this isn't art supply related, but every year for a while now, ever since I think Starbucks started doing it, I would buy the ornaments from Starbucks, and there was a time when I would order them all online and they would have these Swarovski crystal ornaments, so I would buy those, but now they don't have a website anymore, so you just have to kind of hope they have it in store wherever your local store is. And this year is the first year I didn't buy any Starbucks ornaments because I didn't see any, and I'm not even sure if Starbucks did any ornaments this year. And so I know Japan and all that, they still do it, but I didn't see any in America. And so she usually will buy me a few of the ornaments during certain launches because she loves Starbucks as much as I do. And so she said she had bought me some ornaments and she forgot to give them to me. Let me just pull this out here. Little green plastic Starbucks cup. I love these. They're so cute. The little straw in it. These are just so adorable. So this is a green with little Christmas lights on it. So this is the first ornament she sent me. They're all in these little boxes here, so I gotta open them up. Oh my goodness, so cute. So this is the second ornament she got me. This is a little Christmas seal. Oh my gosh. The Japanese ornaments are so much cuter than the American ones. I'm so sorry, but they are. And look at this guy. He's just so adorable. This little Christmas seal. And then I think it's a snowman or something. Okay. So his head is separate. Oh my goodness. So this is a little, wait. This is a little snowman. Oh wait, his head is backwards, I think. Okay, there we go. It's a little snowman barista. So he has a little apron on and he has a little Starbucks cup on his head. And his head kind of floats on this string here. So I guess it's meant to kind of just hang there and jiggle around. But this is so cute. This little snowman is just super adorable. It's a little gingerbread man with a little cookie wreath. Oh, this one's so cute. So this is a little Starbucks cup with a bunny on top, and I guess it's in the shape of the whipped cream or whatever, but or maybe he's just sitting on top of the cup, but that is just so adorable. And it says 2021 on it, so this is from this past year. That's so cute. I love the Japanese Starbucks ornaments. Oh, he has a little white nose. So cute. Oh my goodness. So I changed my mind. I'm gonna do a quick swatching of these pens I got from my sister. And so these are the hybrid dual metallic pens. These I love. And writing with these pens makes me feel like I'm back in college. I remember having a few of these pens left and taking notes during lecture with all the different metallic and hybrid pens I had. I love writing with these. It has a very thick tip, 1.0 millimeter, and it just lets the ink come out so nicely and flow so good. Love these pens. And now we're gonna test out the Energel retractable gel roller pens. They're really pretty, and I do like these vintage like colors. And of course, I love the Energel pens. I love the needle tip, so this is like right up my alley. It's hard to tell from here, but it does have a greenish tinge to it. That one is super pretty. And this one is just plain old black, which I don't even know why they bothered with plain old black, because all their Energel pens pretty much have a black. They should have made this some kind of like a mustardy black or something. I don't know, something different. But yeah, these colors are super pretty, very simple, minimal, nothing too in your face. I do like my Energel pens. This is really nice. The Uni emote pens. And I know like they're kind of sorted by like style or colorways, but she just sent them in a bag. So Uni, oh okay, that's interesting. What color is this? It doesn't have a color. I'm just gonna write Uni emote over and over and over again. Ah, okay, these are interesting. It's like a liquid gel with a plastic nib tip. Ooh, they're very juicy when you write with them. I like pens that have a little bit of flow to them, where the ink kind of comes out really easily. So it almost looks like watercolor, where some places are a little darker than others and some are not. Or like a fountain pen. These write pretty nicely. The nib is flexible, so it's not like you're scratching the paper as you're writing them. Very, very nice. I like how juicy they are. I probably won't swatch all of the brush pens that she gave me, but let's just try and do a few here. The cool part about these is that tip. It just bends like that. It's so nice. And then it has that little nib on the back. That's a really pretty color, like a bluish gray color. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna try to pick a few of my favorites that just kind of stand out here. Ooh, that's a pretty like rosy pink color. I'm not sure if these colors have names or not. I gotta start drawing with markers more. These would be really nice drawing markers. Oh, this one's pretty. It's very nice. Ooh, I can't wait to play with these. These are so nice. And one more just for kicks. Oh, that's a really bright yellow. And that's the little tip on this side. Very, very nice. And then next, we're gonna open this. No, I'm just kidding. We're not gonna open this. This is for my son. But anyway, that was my quick Japan haul from my sister, your stationery Tomo. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And with that said, this art break is done. Bye guys.